Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The Honorable Examiner of this final examination, the Honorable my Supervisor Mr. Odo Fadloli MA, and Supervisor Tu Mundriah Yudi Pamungkas MPD. First of all, I like to introduce myself. My name is Dimi Aditya Sultan, and I'm student of English Education Study Program, Faculty of Language Education of IKIP Siliwangi 2018. I like to thank this opportunity has been given me to present research paper under the title Developing Pop-up Media in Teaching Narrative Text to Improve Students' Writing Ability. There are outline this presentation. First, background of the research. Second, objective of the research. Third, research methodology. Fourth, result of the research. And five, conclusion of the research. Next, background of the research. Ideal condition. Writing is one of the skills besides speaking, listening, and reading that should be taught in the early stage of learning because this writing skill should involve language components such as spelling, vocabulary use, grammar, and punctuation use. They make many contributions to the success of classroom activities in vocational high school. Teachers give writing material to students. One of the essential writing components in vocational high school is writing narrative text. Current condition. The writing ability of senior high school students is quite low, and the student difficulties occur when they have to write English good and correct vocabulary and grammar. This is due to their limitation in mastering the writing component. Moreover, the learning media for writing narrative text are only standard books, where textbooks are less interesting according to student needs. Solution: developing pop-up media in teaching narrative text to improve students' writing ability. Next, objective of the research. First, to describe the process of using pop-up media in teaching narrative text to improve students' writing ability. Second, to find out the validation of pop-up media in teaching narrative text to improve students' writing ability according to expert and practitioner. Third, to find out student response to use pop-up media in teaching narrative text to improve students' writing ability. Fourth, to find out the obstacle when developing pop-up media in teaching narrative text to improve students' writing ability. Next slide. Research methodology. Research method. This research uses research and development, which is usually as R&D. According to Sugiono 2009, research and development or R&D is an activity to obtain information on user needs and is followed by development activities to produce learning product and assess the effectiveness of these learning products. Research design. This research adapted the EDI model in Sugiono 2009. According to Robert Maribe Branch 2009 in Sugiono 2009, the EDI models consist of 5 stages, namely analysis, design, development, implementation, and evaluation. Subject of the research. The subject of this research was the 10th grade student vocational high school in Cimahi in academic year 2021 to 2023. 10 students in the preliminary file testing, 23 students in the main file testing. Research instrument and data collection, questionnaire, validation sheet, fight notes, data analysis, quantitative data analysis. And next slide. Process of developing the product. First, the analysis stage. Conduction the needs analysis to assess target and learning needs of the students. Second, the design stage. Designing unit materials, designing learning activity, designing pop-up media. Third, the development stage. Revision the product, validation the product. Fourth, the implementation stage. The operational file testing, the main file testing. And fifth, the evaluation stage. An assessment of an expert validator, the final project. Next, the eligibility of the product. The research data. The researcher calculates the learning media validation score by 2 supervisors and 1 practitioner. The result of the validation by the supervisor and practitioner to the developed learning media got the percent of 94%, where the result can be concluded that the developed media was very good to be applied. Next, the student response toward product. The result data from student. Based on the result of the student assessment with a total score of 926 from the maximum score that should be 1150, it is calculated by the formula for showing the score percent in chapter 3. Therefore, the result of the product assessment or the result of the student responses are 80.5%, which is in the eligibility table is rate very good and eligibility. Next, the obstacle of developing the product. The design stage. Matching the material with the approach used for developing material as the first draft. Developing stage. Needed to revise the product content to attract the student attention. And the last, conclusion of the research. The process of product development has been developed. It has been done by using 5 stages of the AD model: analysis, design, development, implementation, and evaluation. Second, the eligibility of developing pop-up media and teaching narrative text to improve students' writing ability was very good. This result is in line with validation that has been assessed by 2 validators and 1 teacher. The result value are 91%, 96%, and 96%. The main value fell into the very good categories. It indicates that the product is eligible to be used in the classroom. The students have very good response toward developing the product. They believe that this product can facilitate the student in teaching learning narrative text use pop-up media. The obstacles in developing the product are found in 2 stages. The first stage is on the design stage. The researcher get difficulties in matching the material with the approach used for developing materials as the first draft. The second obstacle is one developing stage. The researcher needs to revise the product content to attract the students' attention. I think enough. Thank you.